A few months ago, I set forth on a mission to completely transform my 2Z swap Toyota MR2 Spyder track car, in which we removed all the cheap, knockoff eBay parts that were on it, the fender flares and everything like that, and decided to install the quality parts from Epsilon Aero. We installed their full body kit, which included the rear ducktail, the rear spats, the side skirts, fender cut combo, and then of course the front bumper replacement for this platform. And wow, did it completely transform this car, and it looked amazing. But we weren't quite done yet because we needed to install some proper fender flares, which are metal, custom made from Thailand, that we did a ton of body work to. We welded it on thanks to Hopper Fabrication, who also does all the fabrication for this build. Now on top of that, we did some extra body work, a lot of sanding, a lot more body work, and a lot more sanding, and then we had it ready, dropped it off to MAACO of Stanton here in California to get its new color, and here we are. Alright guys, I'm so happy to show you guys the car. I couldn't even hold in my reaction. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is I just slapped on the fender flare now, and yes, this is Lotus British Racing Green from an actual release, color code B04, and I want to do this because the Lotus 2ZZ engine that's in this kind of tied it all together. Guys, so we're putting on the headlight. I'm going to redo the yellow tint on this one, but first headlight is mounted. Time to put on the front bumper now. Essentially, I'm just putting on all the big pieces so I can take the car to my storage unit to install the rest of the body kit. But oh my god, they got the color just right on this British Racing Green. Very, very happy with it. Let's try to mock this up real quick. Washers, so the hood gap can be correct. Guys, we're on our way to the storage unit right now. Let's hit some lift. Sounds so good. Alright guys, so I'm now going to go over the car as it is. Got to the storage unit before everything goes on. One last look. So, front bumper is temporarily on. Still gotta align the hood and everything like that. I just need to drive it here. But the front bumper is on-ish. Still gotta find a mounting solution to get this to stay in as is. Obviously we gotta mount the side skirts, but look at these flares. That molded so nicely. It's dusty right now. I can't wash it for around 4 weeks, but the car looks so good. Filled in most of the dents that were on there, and orange peel actually is really not bad on this car. Rear flares are on, and they even molded the bottom section here, as you can see. Wow, looks so good. Now, after you put in the rear brake light, put latches on the rear, and then the grille. I also have the facelift vents, which I have right over here. However, I don't know if I can mount those just yet. I probably can't because of my exhaust. So I have to wait until I either change the exhaust solution or figure something out. But As you can see, the car looks super light. What I really like about British Racing Green, it's a very solid color, meaning that there's no metallic flake craziness or anything like that going on. But the rear gets, or the color gets really light when it is in the sun. But then when it's in the shade, which you can't really tell right now, but you saw earlier, like look at the front bumpers in the shade right now, extremely dark. And so it is menacing. Look at that angle. It looks incredible. So go ahead, start mounting this up. Let's get to it. Alright guys, here's the final walk around. Front bumper, side skirts are on. Still deciding if I want to do the side skirt covers I painted green. Kind of like the contrast of the facelift side vents. You guys let me know. And then Epsilon, sort of spat, ducktail, wing. Hardtop is going on soon. I didn't paint the hardtop because the hardtop is actually carbon fiber. So, but oh my gosh, this thing looks so good. Let me know about those side scoops, what I should do about that. Time to take it on a drive. Thanks to everyone that partnered with me on this build to make this possible, and here goes the final reveal.